This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Today we have a different question. There is text at the bottom of this blog post link below that reads, to hear more details about how to live a big, beautiful, authentic life, subscribe. Okay. I'd like the Crafting Your Path for free text to open a newsletter or forum. Anyone know how I can go about this? Okay. So let's say you have some kind of a page. We have something like, okay, our impact. Something like our impact, yeah. I want to open the website probably in some different modes, like no redirect and do whatever stuff. So I hit something like, okay, our impact, and here is the link. And let's say this will be the link for our form, okay? What should we do then? I'd like the Crafting Your Path for free text to open a newsletter form. So let's say this is the link for our form. Then we should do something like this. We'll just copy this right here. So here is the text. Okay, I'd like to copy it again. And then I'd like the Crafting Your Path. So for this one, we just create something like a reference tag. We close it. And something like this. Close the tag. You simply put this text right here. And let's say if I build it somewhere like here, okay, just not like here. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me back, please. Cancel. Yeah, for example, I will add a different text block, and I'll do something like this. Does more to work, but then not like this. I'm sorry for this. Just wasting your time in some way. I didn't want to do this. Here's a way simpler solution. You like choose this text and you add this button link, and then you just add this one, like a URL. Then you choose whether you want to open it in new window or you just want it to be opened in the current window. So you hit add, save, and when I hit, this page will be opened. Okay, I mean, this is the same page. It's stupid, but okay, it works.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.